All right, guys, we're going to do a little bit more Vedic multiplication. And just a quick summary, if I'm working in a base 10, right? So if I do, say, the number 14 times 13, then I look at that 10, and this is 4 above 10, this is 3 above 10. I cross-add to get 17. Add my 0. 4 times 3 is 12. I add those together, and then it's 182. So the question is, how do we do this if we have larger numbers, if we have 20s, say? So if I have a 20, it's going to be actually pretty easy. So I will do 23 times 24. So we'll still see that 3 and the 4 in there. So you're going to look now at your 20s. This is now 3 above 20 and 4 above 20, and you should see that I use those same numbers on purpose there, right? So now I cross-add those to get 27. Now, because I'm in the 20s, I'm going to double this. So 27 doubled becomes 54, 0. 3 times 4 is 12. It's 552. Okay. Now to double, say I have the number 28 and I want to double it. What I do is I take it 25 out because I know that 25 doubled is going to get me to 50. So just in my head, I take out 25 and that leaves me with 3. I double my 25 to get 50, then I double my 3 to get 6. So then 28 doubled would be 56. If you have them memorized, like if you know right away that 29 doubled is going to be 58, then that's pretty easy for you. That's definitely better, but that's a little trick. You look for that 25. So going back here, we're going to do this again real quick. Okay. So if I have the number 27 times 22, then I'm going to 7 up and 2 up. And hopefully we're at the point we can start to do these in our head. So that's 29. Hey, look at that. 29 doubled. We just did. It's 58. There's a little 0. We'll pretend that's a 0. And 72 is 14. So it's going to be 594. Okay. So our question starts to become, what happens if they aren't all higher than 20? What if, for example, I have 23 times 19? Well, we're still going to work in that 20. This is 3 higher than 20, but this is 1 less than 20. And 23 minus 1 is 22. And 19 plus 3 is 22. So it's 22. Still working in my 20s, so I'm going to double that to 44. Add my 0. Now, here's where our knowledge of integers comes in. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. So instead of adding, I'm now subtracting. So that's going to be 437. 23 times 19 is 437. Right? We'll do one more. We'll do 25 times 18. Okay? This is 5 higher. This is 2 less. And now 5 times 2 is 10, so that's going to be easy for me. I really like that. Add those together or subtract those. So it's 23 doubled to get 46, 460. Positive 5 times a negative 2 is a negative 10, so I'm going to subtract 10. My final product, that's really messy there, guys. I apologize. This is going to be 450. Okay. This, again, if you're going to do this, you've got to just continue to practice. You know, we've been doing that algorithm for years and years and years, and it's hopefully become a little bit easier for us. But obviously, we still need to practice it sometimes, right? So hopefully we're getting to the point where we can start to do these in our head. And, oops, that's a 36, not a 39. I was way ahead of myself, 696. Okay. All right, guys, if you have any questions, again, you know where to find me. Thank you.